Hi, hello, namaste. Good evening to all. Myself Murali PG. Today I'm going to have the YouTube class on human reproduction topic under Unacademy. So Unacademy is one of the good platform to achieve your goal on regarding with your oncoming Karnataka CET. So for this purpose, we introduced some of the important kind of course package. So best plan for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants with the 12 month, 6 month and 1 month plan, where we are going to have the complete syllabus and with the clear theory followed with MCQ, doubt clearance and mega quiz will be there. And if once you subscribed for this class, you will get unlimited access to that all educators topic, and use my referral code MuraliPG853057 and get 10% off with respect to the total price value of this one. So 12-month plan is very much essential, very much good because there will be price reduction of about nearly half, isn't it? When you are comparing with the 6 month and 1 month plan, it is nearly half with respect to 12 month plan. So it is best for you for good preparation. And followed with that comprehensive batch. So what is this comprehensive batch? What is the speciality of this one? So comprehensive batch with the complete syllabus is going to be covered. Top educators will going to take the class with the tips and tricks, topic wise practice questions and full length mock test will be there. Once again, you can use this my referral code MuraliPG853057 to get 10% off with respect to price value. Okay, and the third one is a champion batch with the Karnataka CET 2021. Here PCM, PCMB, PCB batch will be there, and it was started on 15th of October, and you can enroll your name for this one also. Okay, anyhow, this is the fourth one where daily T20 free practice test for Karnataka CET started on November 2nd. Enroll for the test and attempt it live. Let's crack Karnataka CET together. So if you want to watch my special classes, you have to do one work. You have to take the Android version of your mobile and use the Google Play Store and download the Unacademy education or educator learning app and install with your mobile. Then select under that select Karnataka CET, under which use my referral code MuraliPG853057. Put this one and you will get the access to my all classes regarding with the special classes. So this is my referral code. So use this referral code to subscribe for special classes. Okay, so special classes for free purpose, it is for free, and to get more things from my side, you can subscribe for plus course. Okay, so once again I am telling, in the Play Store you have to download the Unacademy student learners app, then install, then go to the Karnataka CET category, then in that select the required section, then use my referral code MuraliPG853057 and search for first of all first for my name Murali PG, and in that biology section, under biology section, so MuraliPG853057. So as a result, you will become a new learner in the section under my side. Okay, so that is how we have to follow. And for subscription, use this referral code once again for plus subscription. You will get 10% off. Okay, so that is what our plan, and it is one of the thing for you to achieve good things in the oncoming Karnataka CET. So by this I am going to enter into this topic, that is what YouTube class on human reproduction. Okay, human reproduction topic. So today's topic. So in the last class we discussed about sexual reproduction in flowering plant, reproduction in organism, and now it is human reproduction. The next class will be reproductive health, that is on I think 12th of this month. Yeah, sorry, 11th of this month. Okay, so now let us have the discussion of human reproduction topic. So we are with nearly 30 questions now. Okay, yeah. So because namaste, good evening to all, namaste. Okay, so now I will going to start with the discussion, and if you have any doubt you can ask with me during the time of class hours through chat box. Okay, so you can ask if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, yeah. First question: after fertilization, which changes prevents entry of other sperms into the oocyte or the inner side of the female gamete after the fertilization? So egg membrane, fertilization membrane, white allele membrane, and A and C both. So which is the right one? So it is the fertilization membrane. So changes in the fertilization membrane will prevent the further entry of another sperm into the oocyte. Okay, so as a result of that we can observe only one particular sperm will going to enter. After the entry, the changes in the modification in the fertilization membrane, the membrane formation around the oocyte which is already fertilized. Yes, Lahari, welcome to the class. Good evening. So first question, answer is B. Then second question, when fertilized ovum is converted into zygote, in which stage? Conversion of when fertilized ovum is converted into zygote, in which stage? So the answer is on fusion of male and female pronucleus. So the right option for second one, it is C, on fusion of male and female pronucleus. So pronucleus means what? It's not complete nucleus. Complete maturation is not observed, isn't it, in the case of female? So when the sperm fuses with the sperm nucleus, that's the male nucleus, fuses with female pronucleus, then the zygote is going to be observed. So the answer for this question number second, it is C, is the right answer. My dear students, if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, yeah, option B for that is for first question, Lahari. For the second question, it is C, is the right answer. Okay, and the next third question, during movement of zygote into oviduct, the division of zygote into 2 to 16 daughter cell, this process is called what? What is the process of division of cell from zygote into 16 celled daughter cells, 16 celled condition? What is that phenomenon? It is called cleavage, gastrulation, morula, A and B both. So here zygote into oviduct, the division of zygote in 2 to 16 daughter cells. Okay, this process is called the process of division of cell. It is called cleavage. This process is called cleavage and the stage is called morula. Okay, stage is called morula, division is called cleavage, and after the morula later it will enter into gastrula. Morula, after that blastula is there, unilaminar condition. Blastula gives a gastrula. So for all the purpose there should be one cleavage, one division. So mitotic division will be there for the purpose to increase the number of cell in the mass. And fourth question, The division of it, one particular cell, it forms into 16 daughter cell, that is called what? So the division of the cell forms into 16 daughter cell structure, it is called what? The right answer for that question, for fourth question, it is B is the right answer. Blastomeres. So small identical type of daughter cells formed after cleavage by the zygote, that is called blastomeres. Yes, Manohar, cleavage, yeah, that is right. Welcome to the class, good evening. And the next question number 5, am I right? Yeah. So fourth question, right answer is B is the right answer. Next, fifth question. The embryo with the 16 cell is called what? What is the answer? Embryo with the 16 cells, it is called what? Blastocyst, blastomeres, morula and cleavage. So right answer is C, morula. Morula is the right answer, where it is going to form 16 celled structure. So the cells are identical. So here all the cells are identical and it is in group like this, mass of 16 cells are there, it is called morula. Morula later gives blastula and later it gives gastrula. So right answer is C for fifth question. Next, question number 6. What time period is required to form blastocyst? Means after the zygote formation, how many days or weeks are required for the formation of final blastocyst? Cyst refers to group of cells where we can observe particular number, that is maybe up to 16. So it takes about 1 week of time, 7 days, almost about 7 days we can observe the formation of that blastocyst, and later that blastocyst will going to implant to the uterus wall of the female reproductive system. Then the fluid within the blastocyst is formed by the cells of what? So blastocyst is having blastocele, the cavity is going to be filled with, or that the fluid within the blastocyst is formed by the cells of what? That fluid is formed by which cell? That is the inner trophoblast cell. Inner trophoblast cell is going to have the production of fluid filled cavity, that is the blastocyst cavity. Yes, Manoj, you are right. Manoj, welcome to the class, good evening. Okay, Jyoti, namaste, good evening, welcome to the class. So fluid filled within the blastocyst is formed by the cells of trophoblast, inner cell mass. Inner to the trophoblast is inner cell mass. Okay. Which cells secrete the enzymes or make implantation of embryo possible? So for the implantation of embryo into uterus, which is the enzyme or the enzymes are going to be secreted? So from which cell? So the cells, it is the trophoblast cell. So trophoblast cell refers to cell of that particular blastocyst which is going to be attached to the uterus membrane. So to the uterus membrane, the attachment of the embryo will be there, and that is by using the trophoblast of the blastocyst. So layer which is going to be attached to the wall of endometrium of uterus, it is the trophoblast. which is going to secrete the enzymes. That enzymes are essential for implantation. Okay. Yes, Rakesh, welcome. Yes, option A is the right one. You are right. Good work. Next, ninth one. In human, normally what is the period of pregnancy? So how many days? In different animals, we can observe the number of days with respect to pregnancy. It is different, isn't it? So with regarding with the human being, what about the number of days? So the human, normally what is the period of pregnancy? Yes, anyone? It is 266 days. 266 days is the right answer for the question number 9. Okay, question number 9, it is 266 days. Next question. Yes, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Next question. The fertilized ovum during the first 12 weeks is called what? Embryo, fetus, blastocyst, A and B both. Which is the right answer? The fertilized ovum during the first 12 weeks. First 12 weeks means what? First 2 months, isn't it? Means first 3 months. It is the embryo. First 3 months. Later it is considered as fetus. First 3 months, 12 means 12 by 4. 3 months, isn't it? So first trimester. For the first trimester, you can write like that. First trimester, it is the 3 month duration. So it is called embryo. And later that is going to be developing into the fetus in oncoming days. So right answer for this question, it is A is the right answer. Okay. Next, 11th one. Which group represents external genitalia of human female reproductive system? Which group represents external genitalia of human female reproductive system? That is what? D is the right answer. Labium minora, labium majora and clitoris. These are the major part of the external genitalia of human female reproductive system. Okay. Then got it? Yes. Next question. Which extra embryonic membrane in humans prevents desiccation of embryo inside the uterus? Which extra embryonic membrane that will prevent the desiccation of embryo inside the uterus? Which is that one? Yolk sac, amnion, chorion, allantois. So it is the amniotic layer. So amniotic layer with the amniotic fluid is there. So this is the extra embryonic surface or embryonic membrane in the human being, which is going to be developed after the implantation, that will prevent the embryo inside the uterus, because there is a pH is acidic. The uterus pH is acidic, so desiccation may be there. The destroying of the developing embryo will be there in the initial level. So it will the prevention will be given to that young embryo or developing fetus. It is by amnion layer with amniotic fluid. So right answer is B for 12th one. Okay. Next, which cells of the testis provide nourishment to spermatozoa, means developing sperm. So nourishment to spermatozoa, which is that Sertoli cells, Leydig cells, interstitial cells, spermatogonia cells. So nourishment is by Sertoli cells. So if you take the seminiferous tubule, we can make out slightly bigger sized cells, larger size cells, where the actual shaping of the sperm and the development, or it will help in the nourishment of the developing spermatozoa. We know that primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatid and sperm, major 4 important steps. Of course there the meiosis will going to occur. Along with that, after that spermatid, it is non-motile. The motile sperms are produced by the assistance of this Sertoli cells. So Sertoli cells will going to provide that particular function. It gives nourishment and it will going to make the morphological changes and gives the shape to the sperms. That is by Sertoli cells. Answer is A for 13th one. Okay. Yes, Manoj, for the previous question it is right. Amnion. Rakesh, yes, thanks for your compliments. Yeah, next question number 14. When egg is not fertilized, means female gamete is not fertilized, yellow colored corpus luteum degenerates to form what? So corpus luteum, that we know. Here the Graafian follicle is converted into corpus luteum, isn't it? The empty Graafian follicle. So ruptured Graafian follicle, after that release of oocyte, the empty Graafian follicle is there, and that empty Graafian follicle is going to have converted into yellow colored corpus luteum. This is the corpus luteum. So this corpus luteum will going to degenerate to produce what? That is a white colored structure. It is called what? So 14th one, it is a corpus albicans. Corpus albicans. Yeah, corpus albicans. So when the fertilization is not observed, if the fertilization occurs, the corpus luteum will going to produce the hormones called progesterone. That is important to maintain the pregnancy. If the pregnancy not happened, if the conceiving is not happened, then what is the thing? Corpus luteum is converted into corpus albicans and going to produce the hormones once again, that will going to indicate the next menstrual cycle, and also it is an indication of non-pregnancy. Okay, so that is the answer for this question number 14, that is a corpus albicans, white colored mass. Next, what is true about cleavage in fertilized egg of humans? What is true? Yes, for 14th, A is the right answer. Devesh, yes, welcome to the class. Good evening. So what is true about cleavage in the fertilized egg of human? So here it is identical to normal mitosis. So here we can observe continuous mitosis to give new number of cells, new cells, and going to form the mass, that is what morula, blastula, gastrula, etc. So as a result of that, the embryonic development will be there. So fertilized egg in human being, the cleavage is identical to normal mitosis, isn't it? Normal mitosis. So right answer is D for 15th one. Then 16th one, which one is initiated by secretion of trophoblast? Which one is initiated by secretion of trophoblast? So trophoblast will going to secrete some chemicals. So trophoblast is the layer of the initial blastocyst or initial cell mass during the time of our implantation, which is going to be attached to the endometrial wall. Now the trophoblast is going to have the secretion. So which one is initiated by secretion? So secretion of trophoblast will going to initiate one of the process here, which is that one. So 16th one, answer is C, gastrulation. So what is gastrulation? If you take blastula, blastulation, it is unilaminar, and what is gastrulation? It is the trilaminar. Unilaminar, it is having single layer. Trilaminar is having 3 layers. These 3 layers are called germ layers. They are ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. So 3 layers are there, isn't it? 3 layers. So 3 layers will going to be there. So conversion of that blastula into gastrula, conversion of unilaminar condition into a trilaminar condition, that is the occurrence of our germ layers like ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, is initiated by the secretion of the trophoblast. So that is the answer. Okay. So that is needed for the formation of that particular 3 germ layers that will going to give particular type of tissues and organs and organ systems in oncoming fetus during the gestation. So right answer is C for 16th one. And 17th question. Which one is incorrect about menstruation? Which one is incorrect statement regarding with menstruation? Direct question answer. It is D. The menstrual fluid can easily clot. It is not going to clot easily. So right answer is D for 17th one. 18th one. Which one hold corona radiata? Corona radiata refers to, these are the cells absorbed around the developing oocyte in the Graafian follicle. The cells which are arranged in circular manner around the developing oocyte inside the Graafian follicle. So if you take Graafian follicle, this is a oocyte. Around the oocyte in the circular manner it is going to be there, that is the corona radiata. So which one hold the corona radiata? That is a lipopolysaccharide layer. Lipopolysaccharide layer is going to hold that corona radiata layer around the oocyte, around the female gamete development inside the Graafian follicle. Next, which one function as endocrine gland after ovulation? After ovulation. So here stroma, vitelline membrane, germinal epithelium, Graafian follicle. After ovulation means what? Release of ova, isn't it? Here release of ova is released. Ova is released and now the Graafian follicle is empty. It will going to produce or convert into corpus luteum and gives the progesterone hormone. So progesterone hormone is going to be secreted from corpus luteum, which is the empty Graafian follicle. So after the release of ova, Graafian follicle will become empty and it is going to produce that hormone called progesterone by the conversion of that Graafian follicle into corpus luteum. So progesterone is one of the pregnancy maintaining hormone. So we can say that after ovulation our Graafian follicle of the ovary is converted into endocrine gland. So option is D for 19th one. Devesh, yeah, for previous question I think you given answer method. Yes, lipopolysaccharide. Yes, you are right, Devesh. Yes, Manoj, you are right also for the previous questions. Yes, next question, 20th one. Which of the following is ectodermal? Ectodermal means the development of particular tissue from germ layer, ectodermal layer. So it is the nervous tissue. Neural tissue is from ectodermal origin. Some of the tissues or the organs from mesodermal. Some of them are from endodermal. Okay. So we can differentiate, we can bifurcate different tissues and organs based on that ectodermal, mesodermal, endodermal. We can classify, we can make the group. Okay. So 21st question. The metamorphosis of the spermatid into sperm is known as. Remember the terminology. Metamorphosis, the morphological changes observed in the spermatid, non-motile, almost spherical spermatid into one particular sperm. So for this we can observe some of the morphological changes. So this morphological changes that is observed here is because of what reason? That is what? Spermiogenesis phenomenon. Generation of sperm from non-motile spermatid. So completion of development. So non-motile spermatid is converted into motile sperm, that is by spermiogenesis. What is spermiation? Release of that sperm, that is called spermiation. What is spermatogenesis? It is a complete formation. The starting point is a primary spermatocyte till sperm. The total production steps of the sperm is called spermatogenesis. Okay, spermatogenesis. Spermiogenesis refers to conversion of spermatid into sperm. Spermiation refers to release of sperm. Okay, three terminologies. Make a note of it. So right answer for the D 21st, it is D is the right answer. Okay. Next question number 22nd. Am I right? Yeah. 22nd. Which enzyme is produced by acrosome? Acrosome is the, if you take a sperm head, here we can observe the acrosome. So this acrosome is present as a cap above the sperm head nucleus. Acrosome. So which is the enzyme produced in that acrosome? It is the hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase is a hydrolytic enzyme that will going to break the wall of ova or egg. Yes, you are right. Yeah, Rakesh. Yes, Rakesh, you are right. Narayan Murthy, welcome to the class. Good evening. Yes, you are right. Yes, hyaluronidase is the right answer for 22nd question. Next question, 23rd. The acrosome is formed by dash. Acrosome, who will going to produce that acrosome? This is by Golgi complex. Golgi complexes are packaging materials and they are going to form the vesicles, vesicular structures with the enzymes. Then question number 24. These form a middle piece of the sperm. Middle piece of the sperm is having which structure? That is nothing but mitochondria. Mitochondria will provide the energy for the movement of sperm. So for that 24th question, the right answer is A. Yes, Devesh, for 22nd question you are right. B is the right answer. Yeah, and Devesh, yes, it's a Golgi complex. For 23rd, I think, yeah. For 23rd you are right, Golgi complex. For 24th it is mitochondria. Okay. Then 25th question, I will move on to the next question. So let us have the discussion till 30th question. Okay, I will extend the class for another 5 minutes. Yeah, in oogenesis, which cells are produced at the end of multiplication phase? The oogenesis, the process of formation of ova, the entire phenomenon. In the end of multiplication phase, growth phase is there, multiplication phase isn't. In the end of multiplication phase, which is going to be produced? That is the primary oocyte. A is the right answer. Primary oocyte. Yes, for 24th, A is the right answer. For 25th also, A is the right answer. Rakesh, you are right. Next, 26th. The oogenesis, which is substance In oogenesis, which substances are present in primary oocyte of growth phase? That is all the above. We can observe fat, protein, DNA, RNA, ATP and enzyme. All the three are there. So it is right answer is all the above all. D is the right answer for that 26th question. Then 27th. In oogenesis, which cell body are concentrated in cytoplasm of primary oocyte of the growth phase? So which cell body? So 27th, it is once again having mitochondria, Golgi complex, ribosome. So right answer is D, all the above. So all these cell organelles and components are observed in the case of that oogenesis when cell body are concentrated in cytoplasm of primary oocyte. Primary oocyte alli iruvanthadu. So in that which are the major things. So all the three are there. Okay. Then in oogenesis, which cells are produced at the first division of the primary oocyte in maturation phase? In maturation phase, the cell division is there. So first division of primary oocyte will going to give what? So 28, it is secondary oocyte and first polar body. So right answer is D, both A and B. Secondary oocyte and first polar body. The next thing, second polar body is going to be produced. So option for this one 28, it is D. Yes, Devesh, for all the above. That is for previous question. For the previous question, that is for 27th D, 26 also D, 28 it is also D. And last 29th and 30 questions. Which stage of the cell at the time of ovulation? So at the time of ovulation, out of these four cells, which cells are going to be observable? That is secondary oocyte, isn't it? First polar body, no. Second polar body will disintegrate, degenerate. Primary oocyte is going to be converted into secondary oocyte. So right answer is secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte will going to be there in the Graafian follicle, matured Graafian follicle, and it is going to be ruptured, and ovulation, the release of secondary oocyte will be there in the mid of menstrual cycle in the 14th day. Yes, for last question. When sperm penetrate secondary oocyte during its unequal meiotic division, how many polar body or bodies are produced? How many polar bodies is produced? So 30th one, it is 3. In the previous one, 1 polar body. In the next one, 2 polar bodies. Totally 3 polar bodies. So right answer is C for 30th question. So that is all the questions we discussed. Okay. So if you want more, you can have the plus subscription. Use my referral code and get 10% off. Okay, for plus subscription. So it is best plan for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. And another one is a comprehensive batch where complete syllabus, tips and tricks by top educators, topic wise practice question, full length mock test. Myself, I am taking this class. Along with me, the other important respected educators will going to take their respective topic, and use my referral code for this one. And to watch my special class also, you have to use my referral code. You have to select the Unacademy Learners app from the Play Store, install it, and go to Karnataka CET KCET section, and there search my name Murali PG and use my code Murali PG 853057. So you will going to get the access to special class as a new learner. Okay, otherwise it is not possible. So if you want more, you can join to my special class and also my plus courses. Plus course, detailed theory, MCQ, doubt clearance, topic wise practice question, and mock test will be there. So it will be helpful for you. Okay, my dear students, got it? Yeah. Now the next champion batch, it is also useful for you, and also daily T20 free practice test for Karnataka CET. So it will going to have total boosting with respect to you, and attempt it live, and let's crack Karnataka CET together. So thank you one and all. So thank you. See you again in the next class. and good night to all. Next class it is on 11th of this month. Time is same, and chapter is reproductive health. Okay, topic. So thank you one and all. I will go into wind up this class now.